How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. So go open your Facebook application. This is what it looks like when your account is on professional mode. As you can see, my followers are displayed instead of my friends. Now go to App Store, search for Facebook, and make sure that your Facebook is up to date. Once your Facebook is updated, go open the Facebook app. In this homepage, click on the icon on the bottom right corner, which is the menu tab. Click on your own profile. Beside the Add to Story and Tools button, there is a three dots, so click on that. You will then be directed to this page. And on the bottom part of this page, there's an option to turn off professional mode. Click on that, and basically this page is saying that we can turn on and turn off the professional mode at any times, whenever we want. Tap on Continue, proceed to turn off, close it, and as you can see, the professional mode is now turned off. So that is how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.